Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Beach Buggy Racing on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Beach Buggy Racing and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Beach Buggy Racing listed usually at the top. Tap on the Beach Buggy Racing game to open its details page. On the app's details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download Beach Buggy Racing on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.